The film you're about to see is a compilation of realistic scenes from road accidents. There is no doubt that it illustrates the serious consequences of negligence and dangerous behaviours on the road. We want to emphasise that the purpose of this material is not to promote sensation, but rather to depict the harsh reality that can result from reckless decisions behind the wheel. We appeal to your caution, respect for other road users, and adherence to traffic regulations. Every journey should be safe for everyone involved. We encourage you to reflect on the consequences of irresponsible behaviours on the road. Watch this film with sensitivity and remember that the safety of us all lies in our hands. Thank you, and we wish you a safe journey on the roads of life.
Emergency video.
That guy is just absolutely nuts.
Emergency video.
Stuck in debt and looking for a long-term solution. Tackle new challenges each day. And a career that will grow.
Emergency video.
Yeah, nobody's going. Yeah? Nice car.
California has limited pipeline capacity.
We can't bring in more. We don't have as much storage capacity as we used to have. Or due to some other aspects. That really put us in a bad situation when we ended up cold.
God damn it! Natural from the infrastructure, natural gas, and the owners of pipeline capacity are making money. Bills are expected to stay high in the coming months, but not as shockingly high as the past 2 months. Marty Schaefer, KCBS. Authorities.
Be on TV tonight. That's what you used to now. You know how to use the telephone now. Can you drive now? Can you drive in your country? Can you drive in your country? It don't make me no difference. That's why Trump trying to get enough said. Going to drive. It's finding
Wife? Go yourself. Alright. Keep on. Got you on camera, asshole. Go get some help, buddy.
Alright, so we use music for all kinds of reasons to resonate with our mood that we're in. If we're sad, to some sad songs, or something that will pick us up. So, what song makes you the happiest? Obviously, it's one person, but scientifically, there's one song above others that makes people happy. Professor Michael Bonshaw, who has a PhD in music psychology and studies music in relation to well-being, has developed a formula that determines the perfect happy song. The telephone. Uptown Girl from Billy Joel.
Close to me, man. I could be machine. You're a menace. That is an entire bike lane. I have the right to take sir. You are all on camera, as a matter of fact. When you're that close to me, look how I am because of how close you are from that, sir. You did not give me enough room. I slowed down and I got over. You needed to move an entire lane, sir. That is too small of a lane for you to pass me by law. So I will have your tag. Well, then go ahead and call the police right now, damn it. Where? Do it. Man.
You know, you got a mouth on you.
Because you almost hit me,
Call
man.
the police, damn.
Yeah. No, make me shut
Call the police, please. Call them, or I will.
Call him. I'm calling him right now. No problem, man.
No, this is
Not bullshit, sir. Not a problem here.
get my tag.
I got it all on camera.
Great, I'm glad you do.
J-E-W-E-1-3. J-E-W-E-1-3.
Hey,